Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the image and making a duplicate layer. This keeps the original intact. Use Ctrl+J to duplicate because non-destructive edits let you compare before and after. Next, choose the spot healing brush for simple, small text removals or pick the clone stamp for controlled sampling. You want one tool selected and size adjusted to match text height. Make sure hardness and opacity settings are moderate so your repair blends naturally. Once ready, zoom in and position the brush over the text. Now you perform the actual removal. If background is uniform, paint over letters with the spot healing brush. Photoshop samples surrounding pixels and blends automatically. For patterned or complex areas, switch to the clone stamp. Alt-click to sample a clean area, then paint over text so texture and grain match. Work in short strokes, frequently resample, and vary brush size to avoid repeating patterns. Make sure to toggle the layer visibility to compare results. You can use history or a layer mask to refine. Finish by refining edges and matching tone. Use the patch tool for larger fixes. Select the damaged area and drag to a clean sample because patch preserves texture and lighting. Once done, switch to the healing brush for final feathering, lower opacity and sample nearby tones to blend. Make sure to check at 100% zoom to spot artifacts and flatten or save a copy when satisfied. If things go wrong, undo, resample a better source, or apply a layer mask to blend corrections without destroying pixels.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.